Samsung's brightest display for a Galaxy device, including its Ultra phones, is found on both the Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. To put the S23 Ultra's brightness in perspective, the watch's display boasts a maximum brightness of 2000 nits. The panels are twice as bright as the models from the previous year, allowing you to easily see the display in any lighting situation, whether it be natural or artificial. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is not as quick and responsive as the Apple Watch, which is one of my main complaints about it. And the primary cause of it is subpar hardware, as well as to some degree software. However, Samsung has since corrected that with the Watch 6 lineup. It comes with a new CPU that is nearly 20% quicker, 2 GB of RAM instead of 1.5 GB, and 16 GB of storage. Additionally, it has the well-optimized versions of Samsung's One UI 5 and Google's new Wear OS 4, which makes everything seem quick and responsive. The rotating bezel is back, coupled with narrow bezels, which enabled them to fit a larger display on the Watch 6 Classic, and is perhaps the largest update. One standout element of the design that distinguishes it from other smartwatches is the spinning bezel. On the standard Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic, the bezels were also reduced by 30% and 15%, respectively. This gives both watches a 20% boost in screen space overall, which is fantastic. For those who want to pre-order the Watch 6 lineup, Samsung offers an excellent trade-in offer. In addition to a complimentary fabric band, they are providing an immediate $250 trade-in credit. If you make that advance reservation, you'll also receive an extra $50 off. The new passive abnormal heart rhythm warnings from Samsung, which watch for symptoms of atrial fibrillation in the background even while you sleep, are included in the Watch 6 lineup and can actually save your life. Earlier watches could accomplish this as well, but they required user intervention. This one does it automatically. Given that atrial fibrillation is asymptomatic, the watch's accessibility to identify signs early on potentially help save many lives. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.